Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna box my brand new model, which is, as you can see, FedEx Express Boeing 767-300F. And before I'm gonna unbox this great model, I just want to tell you that I was in Miami today. I mean, like, I live close to Miami, but today I went spotting in Miami International Airport. And if you know, there's also airplane shop in Miami, like right next to the airport. And I actually like kind of thought about that I should definitely get a brand new model from the airplane shop. I mean, it's more expensive than if I'm gonna borrow from, I don't know, Amazon or eBay or any kind of websites like that. But this feeling, this emotions when you buy the model from exactly from the shop is really incredible, and I really love it. So here's the box, and yeah, um, just forget to tell you, I'm gonna make a spotting video, so I'm gonna upload to you. So stay tuned. And I was in Charleston in the beginning of this week, and I went to the Charleston International Airport. And if you know, um, there's 787 Boeing 787 production in there. We took a little footages and videos of the brand new 787s. There were kind of like a lot of them. I also saw the Dreamlifter. So stay tuned, because I'm gonna upload 2 more videos on my channel, which is really great. So let's start unboxing this model right here. So here is the box. Here is the top of the box. Gemini jets. Price for this model was $108. I mean, like almost $109. But if you're gonna buy this model on any kind of websites, obviously it's gonna be way cheaper. So yeah, forgot to mention, here is from the box, Gemini Jets 200, FedEx Express, and here's the aircraft, Boeing 767-300F. Here's the left, Gemini Jets, Boeing 767-300F. The bottom, right, and the box. Here is Gemini Jets, FedEx Express, officially licensed product 767. And now let's open this box right here. And as I told you, I brought this model from the airplane shop, so that's why I don't have this kind of package right now that I usually like take out the models from. So today is gonna be clearly box of the aircraft. And here it is, Boeing 767, the aircraft itself, and the stand. So let's take out the stand first. Alright, here's the stand, all metal. Here's the pattern, so the model won't be scratched underneath. Alright, we're gonna put it right here. And here is the model, which I'm gonna take out right now. Alright. Here we go. Here it is. Really nice, really nice. I like those old details. FedEx Airlines. Really nice aircraft, really nice details, gears, which like spin and front gears also swivel. But we're gonna get to it closer later in this unboxing video. Yeah, really nice model. Really like it. That's my second 767 model, and this is my first FedEx model, and this is my I guess fourth cargo model. So really like that I borrowed this FedEx 767. I actually was thinking about to borrow something that is cargo. I was thinking about to borrow the 767 300F from UPS. I didn't find this model and it wasn't there, so I decided to borrow this beauty, this 767 aircraft, which is, as I told you, really beautiful, really beautiful. All those shiny details right here in the engines, gears, tail, FedEx, APU. So let's get a close look at this model. Alright, here's the model, here's the box, and let's get started with a close look at this model. So we're gonna start from the cockpit. Here we go. Pilot cockpit, front door, which is for pilots and crew members of the airport. FedEx Express titles, the world on time, front gear, the numbers of the registration number, which is 102, cargo door, antenna right here, anti-collision light. Alright, so let's see if it is some real landing lights in here. Nah, but it's still like pretty nice detail with them. I like it. Here's the engine of the Boeing 767, FedEx Express titles on it, and let's check it out if they do spin. I have like kind of few space for this, so let me actually try to do something. So I actually had to remove the box because it's really takes too much space. Now let's check out if the engines, which fan blades, if they spin. Alright, oh, this is not good. Nah, since they're quite tight. Alright, now let's check out the other engine. No, it doesn't spin. Again, the landing lights, which one of them is here and another one is right here. And let's see if there is some taxi lights on the front gear. Yep, it is right here on the front gear, which are really like realistic. 1 and 2. Wow, nice, really nice job with the aircraft Gemini jets. Alright, so let's get back to the alright, so here we go to the wing, and here we have a red navigation light, and I think that's it. Yeah, I think that's it. Alright, let's get back to the fuselage. Couple more antennas, registration number, which is N102FE, which last two letters represent FedEx. And now let's check out the tail, which is nice, FedEx logo and the tail. Now let's check out the APU of the aircraft. Alright, as you can see, there is a real hole right there to see it. And now let's go to the other side. Pretty much the same. Alright, pilot cockpit, the world of time, FedEx Express titles, cargo door, front gear, which is right here, and the numbers of the registration number is on the front gear door. Antenna, beautiful engine of the Boeing 767, FedEx Express titles on it, green navigation light, another cargo door, couple antennas on it, registration number, and here is the tail, FedEx Express. Alright, now let's check out the top of the aircraft. Alright, so here we have let it focus a little bit. Alright, here we have pilot cockpit, red just anti-collision light, antenna, wings, no step markings, which is really nice to see it. Another one, flaps, flats, ailerons, and spoilers. Another two antennas, registration number, and here is the tail. Right, now let's check out the bottom of the aircraft. Here we have a front gear. I don't know if you can see this. Let me focus a little bit on it. Alright, good. There is an emergency exit door for the pilots. Noise gear, noise gear doors, antenna, necoducts, anti-collision light, main gear doors, engines, flats, ailerons. Same on this side. Another antenna. I like actually the detail right here on this antenna, those red stripes, which is really nice to see. And here is another antenna. APU doors. Let's check out if the gear are spin. I mean, I checked out before, there are almost all gears that are spin. For example, this side, all gears are spin, but there's really, this gear is really tough, so it doesn't spin. Yeah. Noise gear does swivel, as you can see. Swivel's really nice. Yep. Alright, here we go. Stand again. All metal. Here is the pattern, so the model won't scratch underneath. And now let's put it on a stand. Alright, good. Alright, here's the model on the stand. Here's the box of this model, and in conclusion, I want to tell you that this model is really good. I'm really glad that this is my first FedEx model, and probably going on I'm gonna buy, and of course I'm gonna buy new FedEx models such as A300 and McDonnell Douglas MD-11 and DC-10. I don't think if there is McDonnell Douglas MD-11 or DC-10 in Gemini Jet's releases. Hopefully it is, but if it's not, then I'm gonna hope that Gemini Jets is gonna make one. If they will, I will definitely get one of those models. And of course, I want to start collecting some UPS models, and I love how Boeing 767 looks in all cargo liveries, like UPS, FedEx, Amerijet, Amazon Prime, and it looks really beautiful, and I really like it. And later on, I'll try to find some another cargo 767s, and probably my next unboxing video is gonna be about UPS 767 300F. But I'm actually not sure about that. So about this current model, I definitely recommend this, and you will. It's really beautiful. And to be honest with you, Boeing 767 is my favorite aircraft, and I really like it. So I definitely recommend this model. So thanks everyone for watching. This was like kind of short unboxing video, but hopefully it was nice. And again, thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel. Comment what you think about this model, and I'll see you again.